Tool break. All right. Oh. I really like that lip color. The video I recorded didn't record because I didn't hit record, I guess. I need a viewfinder or something that's telling me when I'm recording. So, let's start over and put everything back in the bag. We're gonna act surprised, kids. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is my Ipsy unbagging. I already recorded this, but I guess I hadn't actually hit record. So I went to hit stop on the record button and nothing had been recorded. So we're gonna do this again. Obviously I've already seen everything, so this is not me, like my initial first reaction, so I'm not gonna be like, ah, or anything like that. Before we get into the video, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. You can just hit that little red button right there. I know you see it. Just click it. And if you're interested to see what I got in my July Ipsy, then just keep watching. So when I first opened up the package, there was this bag as well as 2 face masks. I am not sure why I got sent 2 face masks because there are already 4 products in this bag, and generally you only get 5 products from Ipsy. So I don't know if maybe it was just a mistake, and in their haste of shoving things into their envelopes that they grabbed 2 and I got 2. Either way, I'm not complaining. This is the Cali C Caffeine Rush Nourishing Sheet Mask, and there's 2 of them. I am starting a series on my channel called Mask With Me. I've already done 1 episode, which I'll link up here, and it's just when we sit down, chit-chat together. Well, mostly I'm chit-chatting at you, but you can chit-chat back to me in the comments while doing a face mask. It's relaxing, it's self-care. I think it's going to be a great idea. And you get to try new skincare. The bag this month looks like this. It's blue with kind of an iridescent plasticky fabric. The zipper is on the front instead of on the top. And inside there is an eyeshadow brush. This is from Elizabeth Mott. It is the tapered blending brush. And to me, it looks very similar to my ColourPop E2, which is not a bad thing because I've really been liking the preciseness of the E2, and you can never have too many awesome blending brushes. Next is this eyeliner. It's from Ico. It's precise, smudge proof, and pitch black, and it looks like this. I haven't been using a lot of liquid liners recently, except for this right here. I got some stamps from Lottie London at Ulta today, and I really, really like them. I couldn't just get one. I had to get all of them. This is actually the original swatch from the non-video that I made. It is very black. It's not waterproof, which is not very helpful for me, but more waterproof than the stamps were anyway. Next is an eyeshadow from Ella Eden. It comes in a little container like this. This is in the shade Harmony. And this is the swatch right there. It's a different kind of shade. I don't think I've ever worn a shade like this on my own face, but still pretty cool. It'd be worth a shot, especially in the summer when, you know, peachy eye looks are in. And do I continue to go in with neutrals and golds and browns? Yeah. And the last item in the bag is from Wander Beauty. It is their Lotion Illuminatrix. It's a liquid illuminator, and the swatch of that is here. I don't want to open it again because it kind of squirted everywhere when I opened it. I'm not sure if it's going to be a very good shade for me because it is pretty dark, but I think if you keep it on the back parts of your face where it begins to contour into your temples, then it might be really pretty there. And then what you didn't see was me just playing with highlighter forever. After that, I was gonna make a cute video out of that, but there's no footage. So, quite sorry about that. I know this video is short and sweet and to the point. Make sure that you guys are subscribed before you go, and make sure you check out my previous stuff. I am going to be doing more eyeshadow tutorials. One of them will be up, but when you see this, I'll link it right here. It's a tutorial using the Tartelette Flirt palette. I'm wearing that on the eyes right now, but this makeup has been on for 12 hours. So there will be a tutorial on this one up, and I'm going to film one with the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette because they did just relaunch that. Even though they said it was, when it's gone forever. And then 6 months later, they brought it back. Whatever. I have the original, so I'll do a tutorial with that as well. I might do a series of those because there are 4 color stories in that palette, and I need to dip into it a little bit more. So, if any of those videos sound interesting to you, they'll be coming at you within the next several weeks. And then we move, and I don't know, I don't know what my video schedule is going to be like before then. Maybe I'll try to get a bunch of stuff pre-filmed before then, so then you can still continue to see my face and hear my voice while my life is in chaos. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Shit. 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 Shit.